GCSE students, I heard that you've not heard about these GCSE 2026 predicted papers, so let me tell you about them. Now, one thing that we do is we go through every single past paper, as you can see here, and we look at every single specification point that has come up in each of the papers so that we're able to identify what comes up all the time and what hasn't come up in quite some time so that we can see which topics we should include in our papers. For example, if something comes up every single year, it's very likely, at least in our logic, that it's going to come up again next year. And if something hasn't come up in 4, 5, 6 years, it's likely to come up this year as well. And another thing that we've done this year, which I'm really proud of, and it's thanks to your feedback, is we've written full exam style mark schemes just like this, which include the answers, obviously, additional information, but also a topics tested column, which tells you guys exactly which topic each question is on, so you can then go off and revise that topic if you've struggled on it or you've lost marks. And if that wasn't enough, after each science question for AQA, you get these QR codes in the top right corner, which if you scan, it will take you to a Flash Revision Lab revision page for that topic so that you can revise it if you've struggled on it or if you've lost marks on it. And if you want to get our papers, you can get them on KrissTuition.co.uk. That's linked in my bio, and they're all written by me, Chris, Joe Wells, Nathan Wells, Count on Wells on TikTok, Dr. Carl Beltran, former head of exams, and others that work hard behind the scenes like Gemma, Joanne, Scott, just to name a few, alongside our quality control team. Our team has worked so hard to produce these predicted papers for you guys, and for maths we have AQA, Edexcel, OCR and Edexcel IGCSE, and for science we have combined and triple science for Edexcel and AQA, foundation and higher tiers. Now it says this on every single one of our papers, but I'd like to reiterate that these are just additional revision resources. Even though we've had 60–70% accuracy in the last couple of years, that doesn't mean that every single year is going to be the same. We can't guarantee that, so you should always be prepared for anything to come up, and you should always revise the full specification and use these as part of your broader revision overall. These are phenomenal revision resources. I know they are because I've seen them all, I've written some of them, and I know my team is amazing. If you want to check them out, go on KrissTuition.co.uk and use the discount code KRISS10 to get them. If you don't want to get them, don't.